Hey guys, we're out here in Medina and I ordered these really special daffodil bulbs. So a lot of the big yellow trumpet daffodils that you see are just improved and not original King Alfreds. So me, I like historic things, whether it's houses or antiques or flowers. And so I ordered some of these King Alfreds, originally from 1899. And then I also ordered from 1576 another kind of yellow trumpet daffodil. So I'm really excited to see what these originals look like. So just a little treat as far as the bulb selection. So I only got 5 of each, and I always count on things that are a little bit more pricey, multiplying. Okay, I'm gonna have fun planting. God bless you guys.